Bracing for a winter wallop. As much as 2 feet of snow is expected to fall through tomorrow night. A big reminder that winter is not over yet. And the blizzard conditions out there, it's affecting traffic all the way down here at our South Florida airports. So let's get to Local 10 News reporter Andrew Perez. He's live at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International to run down how it's all affecting flights. Andrew.
Laura, you said it. Our neighbors to the north are certainly feeling this one, but airports across South Florida are also taking a hit. Dozens of flights canceled in Miami-Dade and Broward counties.
They said 3 days, 2 to 3 days.
2 or 3 days having to stay at a hotel or just stay at the airport until flights north resume.
And I was thinking, where am I going to stay? Because I've already checked out of the hotel. I've got 2 kids with me.
Now we got snow on the ground.
The Midwest right now is blanketed in snow. Blizzard warnings also in effect across the Northeast, affecting travel.
I looked online to look at the status, and it said big red letters, flights canceled. So we had no idea.
Travelers like Chris Margulies trying to get back home. She went on a cruise and arrived early at FLL, hoping to get back to New Jersey, but learning she'll vacation a little longer.
It's Fort Lauderdale, I mean. We're going home. They have a snow coming.
Airlines are proactively canceling thousands of flights. More than 60 million people stand in the path of this dangerous storm.
And airlines cannot stress it enough. Call ahead of time. Make sure that your plane, your flight, that it is still going to happen. Coming up in just about 15 minutes, our chief meteorologist, Betty Davis, she's going to have a lot more on this blizzard. That's the latest here at FLL, though. I'm Andrew Perez, Local 10 News.